Not everyone can afford to have full-time accessibility experts embedded in their teams. The ARC Help Desk puts TPGI consultants on your shoulder, providing technical support and guidance as you test and remediate. Users can raise tickets, track status, and manage an issue through resolution. Accessibility Help Desk tickets generally receive a response within 24 hours. The ARC Help Desk lives under the Help Desk link in the left navigation bar. On the landing page, you'll find a list of your subscriptions, along with data about Help Desk activity, such as the number of open tickets. An account can have several Help Desk subscriptions for different projects and purposes, such as support with the ARC platform or consulting support with accessibility issues. Choose a subscription from the list of active subscriptions. On the subscription page are all of the tickets along with the contract details, such as days or available tickets remaining. To view a ticket, select it from the My Tickets list. To create a new ticket, select the Add a New Ticket button at the top right of the panel. In the Add New Ticket dialog, give your ticket a title. The description is the body of your ticket. This is a question or issue you want to raise. You can format the description using the WYSIWYG tools available. You can also add code, such as code examples from your site or application. If you want consultants to look at a live example, be sure to include any steps to reproduce it. If you do have a case that you want the consultant to look at, you can also include a URL in the URL field. Set a priority based on the urgency of the issue for your team. To add attachments, select the Add Attachments button. The title and description fields show up in the ticket body. They help consultants understand the purpose of the attachments. Once you've added an attachment, give it a moment to upload. You can then use the Actions menu to remove it. You can keep adding attachments until you have all you need. That's it, submit your ticket. It will appear in the My Tickets list. The author of the ticket can go in at any stage to view and edit the ticket. Here is a full ticket already created. Consultants will respond to your ticket in the discussion area, and you can respond to them in the same place. To respond, select the Add a New Discussion button. Along with your responses and attachments, you can link to articles in the ARC knowledge base. You can also set the ticket status. If the consultant has addressed the issue, select Ready to Close or Resolved. You can also close the ticket using the Close the Ticket button at the top of the page. If you need to edit your ticket, select the Details tab and choose Update Details. There you can also set the ticket status. Please close tickets whenever they are resolved. That way it is clear to our consultants which tickets are complete. ARC will send you notifications of new tickets and any changes to tickets. You can manage the notifications and even turn them off entirely on the Communication Preferences page.